Question number 2. Find the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. Find the value of x and y. Class interval. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. And frequency 5, x 20, 15, y 5. Cumulative frequency 5 as it is 5 plus x, that is 5 plus x. 5 plus 20 plus x is equal to 25 plus x, and 25 plus 15 plus x is equal to 25 plus 15 is equal to 40 plus x, and 40 plus x plus y, that is equal to 40 plus x plus y, and 40 plus 5, that is 45 plus x plus y. And total frequency, sum of total frequency is equal to 60, but 45 plus x plus y is equal to total 60. X plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. X plus y is equal to 50. It's equation first. And median is equal to L1 plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon f into h. Given median is equal to 28.5, and n upon 2. N upon 2, n is 60, 60 upon 2, that is equal to 30, but n upon 2 equal to 30. And in cumulative frequency, 30 lies here, but CF is 5 plus x, and frequency f is 20, and L1 is equal to 20. L1 is equal to 20, N/2 is equal to 30, and CF is equal to 5 plus x, and f is equal to 20. And h is equal to, in class interval, difference between 0 to 10, that will be 10, h equal to 10. Putting the value of L1, N/2, CF, f and h in this formula, we get L1 is equal to 20 plus N/2 is equal to 60 upon 2, that is 30, minus CF is cumulative frequency, that is 5 plus x divided by f is 20 multiply by h is 10. Shifting 20 left side, 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 30 minus 0, 0 is cancelled. 30 minus 5 minus x, minus multiply by 5 minus 5 minus multiply by plus x, that is minus x, and divided by 2, 0, 0 is cancelled. 28.5 minus 20, that is 8.5. 28.5 minus 20, that is 8.5. 8.5 is here, and 30 minus 5, that is equal to 25. 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x divided by 2, and 2 multiply by left side, 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x. 8.5 multiply by 2 means 17. 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16, plus 1 17. That will be 17, and 17 is equal to 25 minus x. So x is equal to, x is shifting left side, 17 is right side, we get 25. This will be negative minus 17, and this will be positive in left side. So x is equal to 25 minus 17, that is equal to 8. And putting the value x is equal to 8 in equation first. Put x is equal to 8 in first. We get x is 8. 8 plus y equal to 15. This implies y is equal to 15 minus 8. So y is equal to 7. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. Answer. Class interval given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequencies 5x, 20, 15y, 5. First of all, we find cumulative frequency. First number as it is, first number plus second, that is 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 20, 20 plus 5, that is 25 plus x, 25 plus 15, that is 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, 40 plus x plus y, 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. But total frequency sum is equal to 60. So 48 plus x plus y is equal to 60 means x plus y equal to 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 is 15. It gives equation first, x plus y is equal to 15. And given median is equal to 28.5. So median equal to L1 plus L/2 minus CF upon F into H. And N/2 means N is total, frequency sum is 60. So N/2, 60 divided by 2, that is equal to 30. In cumulative frequency, 30 lies here, but in same direction, this is F, and in class interval, L1 is 20 to 30. In class interval, L1 is equal to 20, F is 20, and CF is 5 plus x. So putting all these values in this formula, L1 plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H, we get 20 shifting left side, 28.5 minus 20, that is 8.5, and 30 minus 5 minus x, 30 minus 5 is 25, and 0 0 is cancelled, and 2 cross multiply left side, 8.5 2s are 17, and x shifting left side, that is positive x, and 17 shifting right side, that is negative 17. So 25 minus 17 equal to 8. We get the value of x equal to 8, and putting this value in equation first, we get the value of y. 8 plus y is 15. 8 plus y is 15 means y equal to 15 minus 8, that is y equal to 7. X equal to 8 and y equal to 7. Answer. Question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if the policy are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Class interval. Below 20 means 0 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. Number of policy means community frequency. That is cumulative frequency 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, 100. But frequency is first 2 as it is, 6 minus 2, that is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 24 minus 6 is equal to 18, 45 minus 24 is equal to 21, 78 minus 45 is equal to 33, 89 minus 78 is equal to 11, 92 minus 89 is equal to 3, 98 minus 92, that is equal to 6, 100 minus 98 is equal to 2. N by 2 means 100 by 2. N is 100. 100 divided by 2. So N by 2 is equal to 50. And 50 lie in cumulative frequency. This is CF and this is frequency and L1. L1 is equal to 35. So NY2 is 50 and CF is equal to 45. F is equal to 33 and L1 is equal to 35. H is equal to 5. Difference is 5. Median is equal to L1 plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Median is equal to L1 is 35 plus L/2 is equal to 50 minus CF is equal to 45 divided by F is equal to 33 multiplied by H is equal to 5. Median is equal to 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 33. This implies 35 plus 25 upon 33. We divide 25 by 33.0. Multiply by 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 carry 7 3s are 21 plus 2 23. 231. 0.7. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 0 and 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 16. 165. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 0. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 23. 2 3 1. But that is approximate value of 0.76 approx. So median is equal to 35 plus 0.76. This implies median equal to 35.76 years. Answer. Class interval less than 20, less than 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 35, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. And in cumulative frequency given to 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. Then class interval in below 20, below 25, then we have cumulative frequency that is 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. And we want to find frequency. First number as it is, second minus first, that is second number, third minus second, that is third number, and same process, last minus second last, that is called last number. And median equal to L1 NY2, L1 plus NY2 minus CF upon F into H. We get n by 2, n is 100 upon 2, 50. And 50 lies in cumulative frequency here, but CF is 45 and on the same direction in frequency, that is called F, and in class interval 35 to 40, lower limit L1 is called 35. And putting the value of L1, L by 2, CF, F and H in this formula, we get 35 plus 50 minus 45 upon 33 into 5. 50 minus 45 is 5, 5 5s are 25 upon 33, that is approximate value of 0.75 or 0.76. Then 35 plus 0.76 equal to median equal to 35.76 years. Answer. Thank you so much.